Hi guys, it's now 3:30. I'm finally ready to go. I have no idea why I slept for 3 hours after breakfast, but it doesn't matter. I've just bought this water and I recognized there's like a free note for something, so I asked and they said it's for recycle the bottle if I finish the whole bottle and take it back. Getting off the boat. I kind of wanted to take a few pictures because mine the ferry isn't really good. Let's see. It's quite bad if we're doing the solo trip and have no pictures at all. The boat is nice. It's so cute and fancy. But I'm fancy. At least not like this one. Now. We are now walking to the restaurant. Guys, I finished the dinner. I kind of want to go shopping, but I'm not sure whether to go to shopping mall or not. We'll probably go to the library first. People said the view there are amazing, so let's see. I kind of want to go shopping too, guys. Guys, I'm not sure if I can eat in the train or in the train station, so I decided to go out. Morning, let's go get breakfast. Hi guys, it's now about 11:30 and we're now going to check out. I have already packed bag and cleaned the room, kind of. Let's go. Guys, I feel that I'm gonna finish them. I get a deposit back. Yeah, the deposit of my boat. Last time at the station. Thank you later. We're now going to 7-Eleven to get some souvenir, basically food for my friends. 7-Eleven's so fun. They even send t-shirts. Still want some chocolates for my friends. I got 4 and it's like 70. Bye.